Zontes 150x Headlight Height Adjustment Video Tutorial. Preparation Tools. Pick pin. Phillips screwdriver. Use the pick pin to pry open the front left panel at the video lock position, then remove the front left panel by hand. The removal method for the front panel is the same as the left side. Use the pick pin to remove the two expansion nails fixing the front panel. Remove the front panel according to the video method. The ZT150TX headlight has 4 light adjustment bolt serrations. Use a Phillips screwdriver to find the adjustment hole along the guide groove and align it with the adjustment bolt serrations. Turn the Phillips screwdriver clockwise to lower the beam. Turn it counterclockwise to raise the beam. After adjusting the light height to a suitable level, align the front panel snap position with the dashboard panel clips for installation. Reinstall the two expansion nails fixing the front panel. According to the video method, align the front panel snap position with the head panel lining clips for installation. The installation method for the front left panel is the same as the right panel. Thank you for watching.